Great morning, everyone. This is Michael, and welcome back to Trading Like Magic. In this video, I'm going to share with you an update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu. Today is June 8th, and currently we're in a extreme fear. Extreme fear. So, Bitcoin, as we talk about uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly going to the 20,000 level. So yesterday, yeah, we'll see it already dropped and now still dropping even more. And Ethereum, same as Ethereum, as we can see, this is the bearish pennant, A, B, C, D, E, and it's dropping, still dropping. So I'm looking the price for at here at 13,000, sorry, 1,359, somewhere there. And the Dogecoin. So currently Dogecoin is starting to drop, starting to drop, starting to drop here in this trend line. And Shiba Inu is even dropping even more, as we talked about here yesterday. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ABCDE, and now broke the triangle. And but don't worry, guys. Bitcoin. Oh, here's another. Here's another. Actually, this one. So this is my previous post from here. I post this one in last May 19th, and this is the update. So probably for Dogecoin, another Head and Shoulders come. That's what I start. So what happened is Head and possibly go here, and we are looking the price of Dogecoin possibly go to 7 cents or somewhere at 14 cents. So just this is a great buying opportunity for us, guys, because I already posted already at on Trading Like Magic here in TradingView. So this is a good news, guys. This one I see probably the price of Bitcoin will go to this level somewhere at 20,000. So this is a great buying opportunity. We're just finishing the fourth leg, and after this we're seeing the fifth wave. So currently we're in a storm. uh of course, after the rain there's always a rainbow. So right now, just be patient, and I'm looking for this entry here. I'm just waiting for now. Right now is we are in here 31,000. I was looking for 20,000 somewhere there. So guys, just be patient, hold your Bitcoin, and we're here to make money together. Let's make money and take care, guys. Oh, by the way, if you want cryptocurrency and stocks, you want me to check it out, I'll do a technical analysis and probably do the fundamental analysis. I'll make a video for you for free because I love you guys, and all I ask is subscribe and share, and together let's make money. Bye.